Maximizing your 401k for better returns. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to secure a comfortable retirement: maximizing your 401k for better returns. If you've ever wondered how to make the most of your retirement savings, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore effective strategies to boost your 401k contributions, understand the power of employer matching, and discuss investment options that can lead to higher returns. We'll also touch on the importance of asset allocation and how to adjust your portfolio as you approach retirement age. Our goal is to provide you with actionable tips that can help you enhance your financial future. Whether you're just starting your career or nearing retirement, it's never too late to optimize your 401k. So, if you're ready to take control of your retirement savings and learn how to make your money work harder for you, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to maximize your 401k and set yourself up for a more secure and enjoyable retirement. Let's get started on this journey to financial empowerment. Understanding 401k basics. Let's break down the fundamental concepts of a 401k plan. A 401k is a retirement savings account offered by employers that allows employees to save and invest a portion of their paycheck before taxes are taken out. The primary purpose of a 401k is to help you build a nest egg for retirement, making it easier to achieve financial security in your golden years. Now, there are two main types of 401k plans: traditional and Roth. With a traditional 401k, your contributions are made pre-tax, which means you'll pay taxes on your withdrawals during retirement. This can be beneficial if you expect to be in a lower tax bracket when you retire. On the other hand, a Roth 401k allows you to contribute after-tax dollars, meaning your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Choosing between these options depends on your current financial situation and future tax expectations. Another key aspect to consider is employer matching contributions. Many employers offer to match a percentage of your contributions, essentially giving you free money to boost your retirement savings. This is a fantastic opportunity to maximize your 401k, so be sure to take full advantage of it. Understanding these basics is the first step toward a successful retirement plan. Maximizing contributions. Let's talk about effective strategies to increase your 401k contributions. First and foremost, if your employer offers a matching contribution, make sure you're contributing at least enough to take full advantage of that match. This is essentially free money that can significantly boost your retirement savings, so don't leave it on the table. Next, consider increasing your contributions annually or whenever you receive a salary raise. Even a small increase can make a big difference over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. For example, if you increase your contribution by just 1% each year, you'll hardly notice the difference in your paycheck, but your retirement fund will grow substantially over the years. If you're over 50, you have the option to make catch-up contributions, which allows you to contribute an additional amount beyond the standard limit. This is a fantastic opportunity to accelerate your savings as you approach retirement. By taking advantage of catch-up contributions, you can significantly enhance your financial security in your later years. In summary, maximizing your 401k contributions is a crucial step toward a comfortable retirement. By leveraging employer matches, increasing contributions regularly, and utilizing catch-up options, you can set yourself up for a brighter financial future. Let's make those contributions work harder for you. Investment choices. Now, let's explore how to select the right investments within your 401k. One of the most critical aspects of investing is asset allocation, which refers to how you distribute your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and cash. Your asset allocation should align with your risk tolerance, essentially, how much risk you're comfortable taking. If you're younger and have a longer time horizon until retirement, you might opt for a more aggressive allocation with a higher percentage of stocks. Conversely, if you're closer to retirement, a more conservative approach with a greater focus on bonds may be appropriate. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes is another key strategy. By spreading your investments, you can reduce risk and enhance potential returns. For instance, if one asset class underperforms, others may compensate, helping to stabilize your overall portfolio. Lastly, it's essential to regularly review and rebalance your investment portfolio. Over time, certain investments may grow faster than others, skewing your original asset allocation. By rebalancing, you can ensure that your portfolio remains aligned with your risk tolerance and investment goals. In summary, selecting the right investments within your 401k involves thoughtful asset allocation, diversification, and ongoing portfolio management. These strategies can help you build a robust retirement fund that stands the test of time. Tax advantages. Let's dive into the tax benefits associated with 401k plans, which can significantly enhance your retirement savings strategy. First, if you're contributing to a traditional 401k, one of the most appealing advantages is that your contributions are made pre-tax. This means that the money you put into your 401k reduces your taxable income for the year, potentially lowering your overall tax bill. For example, if you earn $60,000 and contribute $6,000 to your traditional 401k, you'll only be taxed on $54,000, which can lead to substantial savings. On the other hand, if you choose a Roth 401k, your contributions are made with after-tax dollars. While you won't receive an immediate tax break, the real benefit comes during retirement. Withdrawals from a Roth 401k are tax-free, provided you meet certain conditions. This can be particularly advantageous if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket when you retire. Additionally, both types of 401k plans offer the long-term tax advantage of compounding growth. The money in your account grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on any investment gains until you withdraw funds from a traditional 401k. This allows your investments to grow more rapidly over time, maximizing your retirement savings. In summary, understanding these tax advantages can help you make informed decisions about your 401k contributions and withdrawals. Avoiding common pitfalls. When it comes to managing your 401k, avoiding common pitfalls can make a significant difference in your retirement savings. One of the biggest mistakes is cashing out your 401k funds when changing jobs. While it might be tempting to access that money for immediate needs, doing so can lead to hefty taxes and penalties, not to mention the loss of valuable compounding growth. Instead, consider rolling over your 401k into your new employer's plan or an IRA to keep your retirement savings intact. Another critical error is neglecting to review your investment performance regularly. Your financial goals and market conditions can change over time, so it's essential to assess how your investments are performing and make adjustments as needed. Failing to do so can result in missed opportunities for growth or increased risk exposure that doesn't align with your retirement strategy. Lastly, understanding the fees associated with your 401k plan is crucial. Many plans come with various fees, including administrative fees, investment fees, and management fees. These costs can eat into your returns over time, so it's important to be aware of them and choose low-cost investment options whenever possible. By steering clear of these common pitfalls, you can better position yourself for a successful and secure retirement. We've covered some essential strategies for maximizing your 401k contributions and making informed investment choices. Remember, contributing enough to take full advantage of your employer's match is crucial. It's free money that can significantly boost your retirement savings. We also discussed the importance of asset allocation based on your risk tolerance and the benefits of diversifying your investments across different asset classes. Regularly reviewing and rebalancing your portfolio can help ensure that you stay on track toward your retirement goals. Now is the time to take action on your retirement planning. Whether you're just starting your career or nearing retirement, it's never too late to optimize your 401k. By implementing the strategies we discussed today, you can enhance your financial future and work toward a more secure retirement. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from these strategies. Together, let's empower ourselves to make informed decisions about our financial futures. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.